welcome to our special talk show. And today we have a special guest. She is the winner of Miss Manipur 2019. So hold your breath and let's welcome beautiful Mathing. Mathing, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Mathing, before we start our show, please give me your self-introduction.
Okay, I am A.R. Mathing and I'm 24 years young. I have finished my master's in 2019.
Okay.
And right now I'm just coming back to home and exploring myself in Manipur. Yeah.
Nasagi, Mathing na Miss Manipur se si thokna bhona rapada kana gi inspiration changi kana na kamai taraga Miss Manipur se kamai taraga yaubi rapano.
Before I tried for Miss Manipur, I masters loiraga Imphal da lai ko adu lakraga agi iche na aduga agi younger sister na haire nang you have been dreaming about this since childhood, so why don't you give it a try ko adu ina okay, let me try it. But then Miss Manipur ki platform say like it's a very big platform go adu dia ina khalaga okay, let me try with this, like not smaller, it's also a very big platform, state level, and let me try and go for Miss Manipur later so that I can build up my confidence by that time go adu I first Miss Kutta chale adu Miss Kutta I'm fortunate enough that I got second runner up 2019 Miss Kutta aduga adu loiraga Miss Manipur ngairaga leire ko adu audition for everything, but then just before that Miss Parak thokre ko state level adu I was so confused if I should go or not, but I just thought no, let me just try it adu chale aduga by the grace of God adu dashu I winner tare ko Miss Parak winner. After that I have been keeping up with all these updates for Miss Manipur. It came out, the moment it came out, all my friends and my sisters, even my mom and dad, they were like, are you sure you want to do this? And I told them, yes, I really want to go for it because it's something I have been dreaming and it would be the first step to my bigger dreams. Adu hairaga ai ipa na adu imana support tori adu koi friends kumba iche nasu ai chatle, and then I'm lucky and I think I should thank God and my parents for letting me live my dreams, and yeah, it came true. I'm the winner this today. Yeah.
Amukasu aigi side teki ko congratulations once again from my side and from the whole team of the TOMTV. Okay. Next, mathang su makatarak point na aina mukhang ningi se ngasai gi keno se Miss Manipur se yaure. Not only Miss Manipur, Miss Barak, adigi Miss Good. Aduda sudum achievement adum lawbi rakhi buko. Aduda achievement lawraki bagi moment nungai ba mayam amasu phawgre. After that Miss Manipur sida yaurapa sida participator op sida haidi isana isa sida ngasagi winner oigani ka habi thajabadi lairaga yawgi pra kamai tawi.
Oh, adudi in my mind, I didn't have the confidence. No, confidence laye ko. Adu should wakal haisira thinking laite ko like I'll be the winner hairago ko. Adu audition the laye and audition numita nupi sing lagpasu. Like they're all such a great competitors ko. And then this year 2019 ki contestant koi se ko like loi namak crown holder ne. Like unlike any other years, this year's all these 16 girls, they were Miss Good winner, and then Miss Orange winner, ko Miss Pineapple, Miss Ogre, Miss Menfit Queen. Adu kumbaloy namak lai ko. Adu competition yam tough oiba audition dasu, and then in audition also it was a rapid fire question round, and everyone was answering so properly and so confidently, and I was like, wow, oh my God, I'm so happy to be competing with these girls, so confident and so bold. So I was quite happy at the day of audition also, and then like I thought it doesn't matter if I win or not anymore, because I think this year whoever the Miss Manipur would be, she would be a woman of substance and confidence and boldness, because everyone was just too perfect to be real, no? So I just gave my best, and I thought like, no, I'll just try my best, and that's what it matters the most, and may the best win.
Yeah.
So with that thinking, yeah, that's how all the process went through for me. Yeah.
Yam nungai ko mathingi se ngasai hona badi edukimatik hona gi ba ngasai hoi laiba contestant khudingmak yamna habadi compete tawbada edukimatik tough oi gadaba competitor ngaktane adugi maraktu da ngasai mathingsu one of the best oi begine ba. I would say you are one of the best. That's why you are a winner.
Thank you so much.
Ado yam nungai ado ngasai winner oi rakpasida ngasai round mathang sum change mathang sum chang kanda last ngasai gi Miss Manipur 2019 gi winner phange harapagi adugi moment to the kari phawi. How do you feel?
Oh, it's a very mixed emotion. Like I would like to share this story to like everyone watching this, because we girls, we bonded so well. Like it was not a competition anymore, and then behind the scenes also top 10 kana yaugani adu announced tawbire ko so before they announced, we were all holding hands and we were singing songs together like like we are so proud of each other no matter who wins adu top 10 chale. And then for top, like the winner crowning moment, adu mi mari like top 6. It's always top 5, but luckily I was the one going through top 6. And then this was a very mixed feeling, because I thought I think I won't win today, because top 6 I was the last person to go, and I think I have scored the lowest. So confidence level was little down, but I was still hoping that maybe my final questions should be good enough to make me win. And the moment they announced my name, I was just so shocked. It was just a like blank moment for me. I didn't have any expectations anymore. I was just too happy.
How do you say winner oire? Winner oire ba matung sida haidi makata ba kari tawbige habagi asadi lebiri.
This is very interesting. I have always mentioned in my introduction in all I want to empower women in our society because we are already empowered but then in our state or in India there is still women empowerment lacking Feminism started because of us not getting proper respect and equal rights to in our society So I want to say is like I would like to let them know their rights given by the government. That is the main thing I can do for them, to advocate them that this is your right and no one can take it away from you. You have every right to choose your life. So yeah, I would like to empower women in our society more.
Okay, thank you very much. Ainasu yamna ai samanaksu yamna pamjaba women empowerment si documentic chanasu yam pamjaba women empowerment si support kamai tawdana support tawrakadagi habasida mathingna mama am oina mathingi icha sida how will you brought up your children angang se kamai na sembirakani?
Okay, like I would simply try to make my kids understand like your father is working, right? And he's coming home late or maybe early, but he's still taking care of you. So why should I stay home all the time with you? You have to be strong enough to build up your own courage. And then let me also work. I would try to make my kids understand that way. Hi buddy, we are all equal. We are just human. It's just that we have gender differences and the differences in our strength. But nowadays we are all intellectual and we have the same capacity of thinking, right? So I would like to tell the same to my kids. don't discourage anyone, any lady go, and then someday you will have a wife and respect her and let her do what she wishes to do, because it's not only her work or her job to take care of the kids, but it's yours as well. Go, adu hire
yam phase yam nungai. Ado sumakha poina ngasai gi Miss Manipur si yaru bada karam makal ki experience di Miss Manipur grooming session ga tawne karam ba experience di learn tawbire.
Could the experience it's a very good experience. Haida Daheli, Che Sonia, and then I would like to mention Darakesh also. Madi came Haide, but then he was always noticing each and every one and taking care of us silently ko. But then Daheli na loi namak da chay bane ko, and then like he will always scold us whenever we are making mistakes. And then with the girls also, I really bonded ko. We were more like sisters. And one thing I really learned in this journey is that 15 girls ko counting toraga 16 oire ko akoi loi namak se we come from different religion background but different culture background ko, but then our culture and religion has never been the choices of our life, because it's a man-made this thing, right? Culture and religion is a man-made ko. Self-liberation is more important. Adu self-liberation, I have seen that in this journey with all of our girls together. So this was the best experience. I can like share it to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Makhasum tarak poina aina mu khamjani ngasagi yamna di chawkhatle ko hojik se haidi change di edukimatik yamna lae ba thai di hojik change ai je edukimatik lakrabane haidi fashion do oiro adagi way of dressing do oiro adagi angang yokpa da oiro adagi ani haidi larik tamba da oiro ko even yam chawkhatle haragan hai taraga su ngasagi akhoi yam swandhaba jaga amasu dum leitabadi nateba phane yam chawkhatlaga su adasida aina laksani na ngasagi akhoi society sida beauty pageant thokpase fashion show thokpa beauty pageant thokpase some khara mana di encourage tawdeba hariba potse yam negative oina uba yaweba habidi fashion show thokpa beauty pageant thokpa rain walk chatpase just some mi khara mana di body exposure oina uba su yaweba sigi matang sida sigi makhoi society da negative oina leiba sida sigi matang da kari haini
adudi it's true in our state or in many other states as well go beauty pageants say degrade tawi ko I would like to say don't degrade it, because at the beginning even my dad and my mom ko makoi na kara like chatning the ba ko adu tawre, but then I told them properly, and then I never forced myself, but I tried to make them understand ko like this is a pageant and a stage ko akoi nupi sing se stage ama phang bane ko to empower ourselves ko celebrating femininity, right? Even me, I have a motto when I'm coming here, because Aishi platform Pangradi, I have already a voice for many of the women in our society, or say maybe a man also. Whatever they want to convey, like if they come to me or if I go to them, I would know about it and I would know what is going on in the society go. So after winning this pageant, if I already have a voice to raise go, adu pangdrashu, like even if I don't win, I have already competed and people have known me. So I've already got a stage go, I've already got a platform. Adu dagi I can start up go, like I can advocate people, I can help people where I am needed go. So it's not a bad thing because we are getting a voice to raise for our society go, and it's not for a bad thing, but it's for a good cause. Adu haini
habdi ngasai negative oina pubi bagi mahutta habdi nupi oina pogasu we can do something akoi na isasi mayam gi mamang da portray tawjaraga akoi inner voice to neba mayam da ulise adugi habdi platform ama khak phangaga thabak tawbone hena nungai badugi adugi platform dugi opportunity do maya nupi singda bibani haina haini natra ado yam nungai mating wari sana basu yam nungairi wari se sana basu nungairi makhata na su sana gi si makhata ba question ma yam su leijari marak thatna ten ba break ama khatang mayam lomina si
Lengsin Biraksi Prabhavati Handloom Makhal Kayagi Fi Fanek Fangbiragani Leisabi Yum Palabi Ahal Oiraba Imasingna Setpayaba Inbayaba Pizol Kodimak Fangbiragani Ngasimak Lengsin Birau Prabhavati Handloom Moirangkhom Sogaijam Lerak Natraga Aikhogi phone number 6909126615 Natraga 70058000023 da contact tobiyu Prabhavati Handloom Moirangkhom Sogaijam Lerak Imphal.
Welcome back. Break ki matung da taram nok cheri. Ado makha tara poina ngasai gi. Akoi nupi sisu. We are a role model. Society ki role model ne ba koi si. Mama ni, mache ni, nupi ni. Ko punamag ni ba koi si. Ado kamaina nupi mada chen da ba ya da ba quality sing se kari kari ne na mathingi wakhal lon da kari kari ne na khanbi.
I think the qualities a woman should possess is she should be a woman of substance, and she should know in life what she is doing, what she wants to do, rather than listening to someone. Ado, like, I'm not saying don't listen to your parents or anything. Parents kesu yam laye like we live in a society where our parents still pressurize us to do things that we don't want to do. But we should also understand why they want to say such things. Ado understand tauraga. You also have to understand how you can convince them to let them do what you want to do. Adu wise oiraga, try to make your parents understand. Adu kumba quality du I think that's what a girl should possess.
Beauty contest amathwe harakanda not only nupi je masak phajak khatang na diya dedana. She should be beauty with brain. Habidi all round khangadabani ba mase. Habidi education the suoro the she should be honest, very kind.
Yes.
Adamaina oi besigi mathaksida akoi se society gi role model ama su oirakadoinina. Nasai beauty gi maram si khatang da natana haujikti each and every kanoda beauty contest sing the su adigi worldwide ki international kano level the su akhoi su sum yeng ba matamda hangbaje not only beauty gi maram khakta da hangdeba. Habidi matam gi oiba social issues sing sida yamna hangieba. Ado aina sida lakningi sina whole world gi na global warming sisu quite gi big issues amaneba. Global warming sigi matang sida society sida adi haura iba ngang sing sida adi oza sing da adi kamaina tawraga kitang khara kan ba yaba gi matang se kai adi hai bining.
Adudi hairadi, like, global warming is such a ongoing issue. It's a very burning issue. And then Australia dasu, like, koalas adu so many koalas and kangaroos especially because Australia is known for kangaroos and koalas adu so many of them we have lost them adu akhoi na global warming like natural disaster oiba kanda we should not think that it's just a country that they are facing with but if we think globally this is our earth so we all have each and every right to protect it. So I would like to say even the government of every country, they should, when the time comes like this, they should try to provide their best firefighters or anything can happen, flood. So adu try to provide the best medic and then I would like to educate them like why all of this happened. So we should try to plant trees as much as we can because the main disaster of global warming is because we are cutting down a lot of trees go. So we should plant trees as much as we can so that we can balance the ecosystem go. Because once if there is no plants, no trees in the earth, I don't think humankind would even exist go. And then recently the Shiroi Peak on 17th of January there was a fire. We are not sure yet if it was a man, man was if it was human who started the fire or it happened naturally, but it burned for quite very long time, and almost half of the Shiroi Peak is completely burned into ashes. So for that also I would like our Manipur Forest Department government ki khara please help us out, and then help us out to protect our only land because Shiroi is such an important tourism hotspot for Manipur go.
Beauty pageant Miss Manipur tare only beauty khatanda khoina nainaraga leiba nateba. Each and every area, every nook and corner, se koi khangdabadi yade natra. Adugi suni aina akhoi mathingda sigumba ngasai kitangdi thainaraga so ina hangjari se. Adu ngasai mathingna su panbi gibido. Ngasai global warming se hauji this is a very big issues of the prithvi go ina paidgi achaw issues ama ori banina. The proper education se am darkar oi banatra. Proper education se pira kanda the kamai tau thola ino kamai na kando ino khol ino have se ado yam nungai akhoi gi mathingna chap chaba the answer pibi be se ko yam nungai ado makha tarak poina mathingda hoje aina laksani sina akhoi gi sigi special talk show sigi na yam nungai ba round na makhak yauri ba sigi round je khoina rapid fire round.
Okay.
Rapid fire round se kamai tau gi hakanda aina question je hangani and second, within a few seconds, you have to give the answer.
All right.
Go. Matam yam loadaba.
Oh.
Ready with me, Reko? Do you have a hidden talent? If you have any hidden talent, if yes, what it is?
Yes, I think I have a hidden talent. I love writing.
Okay.
So I write poems time to time.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. And next question for you is, if you woke up tomorrow and gained any one ability or quality, what would you want it to be? Hayang ayuktum hawalapada nangwanda haidi any capability ma any kainoma yawrame na khalaseba adu taragadi nang kari oiba pami kai kai semdok pami kaidole.
Okay, if I have this one quality where I can if I wake up tomorrow and I have this one quality I would really want to have is giving me the ability to make someone love whom they hate go adu tauninge, because our world really needs love, and sometimes us even being a human being we are so selfish that we forget to love ourselves go when all we need is a love to, boost ourselves and boost our confidence. Aduga, even God and politics has never taught us to hate each other. So yeah,
okay.
Love. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And next question for you is, what has been your biggest failure? What is your biggest failure?
Adu agi biggest failure hairo haitati like a depression the chatpaniko. It was the year of not the year, but it was during my final year of graduation ko Delhi ta pamraga. I was about to graduate, and then pressure yam lai ko because people always, and even my seniors and my friends, I have seen them, they have been already started working ko adu peer pressure lakpadu society that you are growing up and what will you do now, you are about to finish your graduation, you have to do something, right? You have to get a job. So that was the pressure I had, and I just went in depression for straight like 6 to 7 months, and I was thinking, what do I do? I just isolated myself go. And then finally just one day, and I should really thank my friends also, my best friends and all, they always came around and tried to cheer me up, they would take me out, Adugumba, and then I said, no, like live this. Why am I even depressed? Ko adu this is life. Life will happen. Adu job phang like let it be. Ko I will do what I love to. So
ups and downs.
Adu ups and downs yam lay ko. Adu aina one thing I learned is it's okay not to be okay sometimes ko, but how you stand up after that matters the most ko. So I think that was my biggest failure, because I was such a foolish person to think that I cannot,
waste your time.
I have wasted my time. I have lost my time when I could be a happy person.
But you came out from the depression, and now you are a winner.
Yeah,
yeah, that's really great.
Yeah, thank you so
much. What is your dream job?
Dream job ko. I am a very a person who dreams a lot ko, and I have so many choices. But then dream job I'm living my dream job right now ko. I mean Miss Manipur Pankre, and then now I have a platform to raise my voice to advocate so many young like children or like women in our society ko. So this is what I wanted always, and I'm living it.
Okay. Ishwar na chan bidana ko. Haidi nangi dream dusu let it come true ko. Adusu soidana thongba oisanu ko. Yam nungai. Ado ngasai si mya ngasai gi kano usidagi ngasai ibadi yam hai gre ko. Igal lena. Ibasidagi besides ibasidagi atopa kari kitang fun noina kai gati taw.
Oh, fun fact ama hairage I have represented my school in national level 5 years continuously ko. I'm from a sports background. Athlete ko. I'm a sprinter, and I do long jump. I do leire, and when I'm free I try to play ukulele. I love playing ukulele. So with music, I try to pass my time. Adu fun fact.
And last question, Aroy Boyna. Heidi, hogalay ba youngsters sing sida? Hogalay ba aspirants sing sida? Kari message convey to win.
Okay. Agoy youngsters ko, we are the pillar of our society ko. If we are not educated, we won't be able to make our society a better one ko. Adu haininge adugi like try to educate yourself as much as you can go, and then live your dreams go. Like we come from a very small state. Manipur is a very small state in India go, and then our parents, even in India, we have this concept of getting a government job, which is, I think it's a very bad concept. Because of that, explore, we are not exploring ourselves. So if you want to go in a sports field, please do. Try to convince your parents. Don't go against the will of them, but try to convince them and show your passion to them. Like how much you want it. Adu nangi passion show already, which mother and father wouldn't say no. They will always say yes.
Thank you very much. Matingo TOMTV site tagi yam pick laba gift and parama pizari option view.
Thank you so much.
Ngasigi da maktadi ekoigi special talk show si matang asida lotion jare.